Find or read reviews that people are talking about VEVOR police sirens for vehicles. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose VEVOR police sirens for vehicles. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Clear and loud. Power output, 400 watt voltage, 12 volt. Current, less than or equal to 25 amp. As the PA system is equipped with powerful speakers rated over 135 decibels, you will get quality audio output that is audible from great distances. 8 common tones. The police sirens for vehicles is designed with 8 distinctive tones, such as yelp, wail, high-low, and more. You can choose based on your needs in various situations: fire alarm, wailing ambulance, police siren, traditional shooter and other. Choose the sound for the best occasion. You are in control. More than just noise. The police siren horn can amplify your words with a built-in microphone that is remotely controlled. The warning system also offers 2 switches which you can use to power external devices and appliances, such as connection to flashlights, not included. Power up, and never face difficulties. Unbelievable control and mic. Comes with a control box, heavy-duty speakers, and wireless handheld microphone. This PA system for truck is more than just an auditory warning device, it's the backbone of your entire emergency warning system. A car cigarette lighter port now provides increased convenience for electronic products. Widespread use. This police siren is perfect for various vehicles, including cars, fire trucks, and ambulances. The compact size easily fits on your roof or behind your grille. You can keep your eyes on the road and your mind on the task at hand. Never lose focus with VEVOR. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.